Hey, this is Kyle with Elev8 Off Road, and we are at the 2025 Florida Jeep Jam. With the popularity of the front rock rail system, we've been asked by so many customers for a rear rock rail system. What this does is it lowers the mounting point at the frame and then raises the mounting point at the axle. We also offer a cam plate in here so you owners can dial in the pinion angle that you're looking for. Here we have our 2021 Sting Grey Rubicon Wrangler. This also has a rear rock rail system. It drops the lower arm down to help with those angles. We raise the upper arm at the axle, and we have a cam bolt position there so that even though the arm itself isn't adjustable, there's adjustability built into the system. The advantage, again, is lowering the arm angles is a huge, huge benefit to the ride. We realize some of these customers still want to take these off-road. That's why we built in skid plates to be able to do that. But you can't beat the ride of this system. We appreciate all the customers. We've had a lot of customers stop by, share their Jeeps with us, share their photos and videos and the post online. We appreciate that. We love to see it. We love to see the different combinations, and we would love to see you at the next event. We will be at Jeepin The Coast in Gulfport, Mississippi. We'd love to see you there.